On this side, you're going to have to let that cool down though a little bit. It's very murky here. Don't grab that out. Well, that's a gutter.
Oh, gutter's a hospital. Oh my God! I sunk in. I sunk in there. Don't go right there. It's creepy. I sunk.
You sunk? Oh. What is that? Oh, a chair.
Oh.
Look at the chair.
Like a brand new chair.
No, not a brand new chair.
No, it actually is a brand new chair. Daddy, look at me. I got myself a chair.
Yeah, I deleted a bunch of stuff.
Wow! Wait for me!
Closer to the beach. Yeah, through there, but then, yeah. Good. Another log.